Hello and welcome to my Carve a Puppet Fish tutorial series. This video shows you everything you will need to complete the project, and it's broken down into 4 chapters. Chapter 1, Carving Kits. Chapter 2, Carving Tools. Chapter 3, Wood Dyes, Paints and Oils. And Chapter 4, Assembly Tools and Equipment. You can also download the kit list from my website at www.sarahvigarsart.com/tutorials. Chapter 1, Carving Kits. Carving kits can be purchased from my online shop. Inside a fish carving kit, you will find an A6 colour reference sheet with 2 fish designs, 2 body carving blanks, 1 for each design. These are cut from lime wood, which is a popular carving wood, and include profile view labels. You will also find 4 lime wood offcuts for extra carving practice, 2 15cm lengths of carbon fibre rod for the puppet control, 2 pieces of coloured leather for the tail and fins, 2 pairs of fish eyes made from wood and glass beads, 2 small pieces of pine wood dowel for the control, and 2 sheets of label paper templates for cutting out the tail and fins. Chapter 2, Carving Tools and Equipment. Essentially, you will need a carving knife, a strop, and a finger guard. In this series, I will be demonstrating with a knife set manufactured by Beavercraft Tools. It contains a roughing knife, that's product code C16. I use this knife for roughing out the fish's body. A detail knife, that's product code C15. I use this knife for cleaning up and carving small details. And a chip carving knife, product code C6. I use this knife to carve a geometric pattern on fish number 2. The set also contains a leather strop and compound bar for polishing the blades to keep them sharp. You can carve this project using just one knife. Flex cut tools are another brand I would recommend. A roughing knife is great if you want to work quickly, whereas a detail knife is better if you want to carve fine detail. For more information on suppliers, see the kit list. You will definitely need a strop and compound to keep your knife sharp whilst carving. I have included other brands on the kit list, and I will demonstrate stropping in video 2. I also recommend making a finger guard. I made this one from thin, flexible leather, sewn into a tube. This is to protect the index finger on your carving hand. I will explain more about carving safety in video 2. Chapter 3, Wood Dyes, Paints and Oils. How you paint the fish puppets is up to you, but in this series I'll be showing you my own painting techniques. For these I use orange water-based wood dye for staining both fishes 1 and 2, white chalk paint for painting fish number 1, Rustin's Danish oil for sealing the orange wood dye, black, vermilion and yellow ochre acrylic paints for various touch-ups, paintbrushes in various sizes, pipettes for transferring wood dye out of the bottle, and paint palettes. made from recycled jar lids. I also use fine, wet and dry sandpaper for distressing and adding texture to the puppet. A cloth is also useful for mopping up excess paint or oil. A small disclaimer, please refer to my allergen advice before using any of the paints, glues or oils in these videos. This can be found on the kit list or on the tutorials page. Chapter 4. Assembly tools and equipment. Here are a few other things you will need. A pencil for marking up details for carving. A scalpel or craft knife for cutting out the tail and fins. A ruler to assist cutting out the tail and fins. A fine-tooth handsaw for cutting the fish into segments. I am using a 26 TPI Japanese pool saw. For more info, see the kit list. Medium to coarse sandpaper for sanding down the fish segments. A small vise or clamps to hold the puppet in place for sawing. Yoo-hoo all-purpose glue for gluing the tail and fins. 2-part epoxy glue, or Gorilla Glue for gluing in the eyes and the control rod. Small wire cutters for trimming the eye wires. Small pliers or tweezers, not essential, for fitting the eyes. A 6mm drill bit, not essential, for deepening the eye sockets. And a cutting mat or thick card for cutting onto with the scalpel.